And
So close.
I finally got it.
Awesome.
See that, everybody? That's just my wife talking.
Right.
This is with my new pick set. The M15 finally conquered. I haven't been able to duplicate my single pin picking, but I do have the key somewhere. Where did I do with the key? The key was here somewhere, but oh, here it is. This is the key. I mean, the spring retention when it's gone doesn't have any. See how it's easy? Just kind of stays. But when you lock it, it's got. Oh. See, it sticks. And there you have it. Master M15. It's raked, but it's open.